boy be working, son. It ain't gonna always be clean.
Sticky, my bitch not no picky. If she with me, she don't want you, let she know you ran your signal. If you wanna hit her, hit me. She me, I be like this. Even if she picky, she gon' probably pick me, bitch, I'm lit. Cardi Marty, New Da Vinci, Patty Crazy, Richard Millie. He say
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. You see we back on another video, man. But I know y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, bro. We did a mod to our tail lights, and I did something else, bro, that I ain't put in the title. But look, bro. They gonna be mad with this one. They gonna be mad with this one. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that, boy? It's a I got the gorilla emblem. I got that off of eBay. Y'all already know these lights beautiful, man. See, I got a different type of scheme going on with the lights. That bit cold, bro. It's like they keep clicking together. However the fuck, you know what I'm saying. But look, I know y'all see on this side, bro. We got the same emblem on each side. You feel me? The side chrome right here. I ordered the little 3M little tape or not. I don't know what it's called, bro. But I ordered that. I ordered that first, bro, and I really don't know how that ain't come in yet. But I'm still waiting on that piece, bro. But let me show y'all what y'all clicked on the video for. This is what y'all clicked on the video for. And right now, bro, y'all boys, I don't know if it is. I'm gonna cut the truck off in a minute to really show y'all. But you can kind of see already. You can see the black outline of the little film that I got from. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I got mine off eBay. It's like Crooks Motors, something like that. Something like that, bro. I don't know the exact name or how to pronounce it. But I'm gonna put a link in the description. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me cut the truck out. I already know what time it is. Got a spaceship in that bit. Freaking spaceship. But let me see. Oh, I left it. My bad. I left the lights on with me. You know I got a vacuum. Y'all chill out. You know I got a vacuum. The boy be working, son. It ain't gonna always be clean. But look. You see right here? You can see the film now, so when it's all in daytime, you can really see the film. Like it's an outer piece, this whole outer piece, it go all the way around, even at the bottom. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that bit? It's a little thin piece, but and I put it on myself too, bro. Like you can see this way, it's the outline right here. I had to go a little forward, so from the side, you see how I look. And I know y'all probably like, chrome, you gotta get rid of that. I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking about just blacking this chrome out too. I honestly thought this was gonna come with that piece too, but I guess it didn't.
play with that baby, he get dizzy trying to work that Rizzy. Yeah, I play him crazy, right on Rizzy when I cook that weed. If I shoot a missy, double back like, hey guys, did you miss me? Let me see how I get the trick with spirit. Stupid, what's happening?
Pretty pop up, bro. I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's not too many of us, but you see what's going on.
Been baking with that Drakey, I'm a Drizzy fan. Hit his dome with my mitt on. I'm from